Caravan. It's a 2005 Caravan. So they're 2 months behind. So basically, what I have done was made some repairs to the O2 sensor circuit. Basically, man, I don't know why people still do this. But ladies and gentlemen, this, wow, spitting out low volts, spitting out all kinds of crazy fault codes. And my favorite is when a customer tell me, I just had that replaced. It's not about how long ago you replaced it, it's about the quality of parts that you're using. And this, my friend, I'm not gonna dog any aftermarket parts out. Now, and I still say aftermarket parts are okay. If they willing to give you some type of warranty on this stuff, then that means they put some thinking behind their when they built their parts. You know, they expect quality out of their parts. So there's nothing wrong with aftermarket sensors, only if they offer warranties behind it. But this, my friend, was spitting out low voltage code, high voltage code, heater circuit, and I just simply ended up replacing it with OEM quality, OEM O2 sensor. Okay, this is an OEM, meaning Mopar. It was built for Mopar. It was built for this. It was built for this vehicle. The part number matches or whatever. So what I'm about to do, ladies and gentlemen, is go on a drive cycle. Okay, I'll go over that with y'all. All right, let's get with it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am in the van, and wow, as you can see, 296. The camera acting crazy trying to pick it up. 296,000 miles. And I got the car pulled up on my scan too. Remember the DRB scan too I talked about? Let's go into OBD2 monitors. What we're looking for, what we're gonna be looking at is come on, baby, come on. What we're looking for is let's go into car readiness status. Let's see how many we have to get. Okay, we have a total of 4. All right, remember what I talked about last time? You need basically 75% to say yes, to be ready. Okay, so the easiest ones to do will be everything but the evap system leak. That has to be ran on an overnight soak. So if I was you, I would concentrate on the O2 sensors, the cat, just the O2 sensor and the cat, because the heaters are part of the O2 sensor. All right, so I can't film while I'm driving, so I'm gonna go drive this. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, what we're trying to do is get at least 3 of these to say yes. Now let me go over something real quick. Let's pick the cat. I'm gonna show you some what it's looking for before it even start testing. This, remember I told you, man, it's all about parameters. Let's go in the cat pre-test and see exactly what it will be looking for, so I can try to get in this range. Okay, so to even start, I gotta be at a temperature range. Can y'all see that? I gotta be of a temperature range of 150 and 260. I'm there. Run time between 2 and 13 minutes. I'm there. Cat temperature 900, between 900 and 1600. Not quite there, but I'm sure if I drive it, that cat will heat up quickly. Now once those parameters are met, then you just look at this window. See, I don't even know if y'all using scan tool, but basically let the car warm up, then go drive it. And as you can see, the range, RPM range they want you at is between 20 and 55 RPM. I mean vehicle speed. And RPM, of course, they want you at a certain range. So it's all about parameters. All right, I'm gonna try to get in these parameters, because remember, my goal is to make at least 3 of these say yes. All right, and actually, since I had the car running, this was an overnight soak. My leak detection has already ran. I started this thing up right after I screwed the O2 sensor in outside. So this was a cold soak. So I might get lucky and all 4 show yes. All right, I'm about to go on the drive, man. I'll get back with y'all in a second. Let's get it. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, this phone is flickering. I have all monitors saying yes. Remember, the small leak evap purge system monitor will only run on an overnight cold soak. The only reason that was showing yes, because I erased the code after I made the repair, and then I started the car up and it'll run just sitting there idling. First thing in the morning on an overnight soak, cold. So when I started it, the monitor just automatically started running. It has a couple of parameters it has to meet. For instance, it can't be below a quarter tank of gas. All right. So all these monitors are yes. This car is now ready for emissions. All right. So that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.